to the Tourism Promotion Board Philippines, the very hardworking organizers of this event, and to all delegates from all over the country, a pleasant good evening and warm welcome to each one of you to the meetings, incentives, travel, convention, and exhibition conference, MICECon 2024. It is my honor and privilege to stand before you today, representing our beautiful province, renowned for its rich heritage, culinary delights, and warm hospitality. I also bring to you the best wishes to the President of the Provincial Administration of the Province of Pampanga under the able leadership of Governor Dennis Pineda. In today's interconnected world, the MICE industry plays a crucial role in shaping the future of tourism. It is not just about organizing events, but creating lasting impression, forging partnerships, and leaving a positive impact on our communities. Pampanga, with its blend of tradition and modernity, is well positioned to host diverse events that cater to the interests and needs of our global audience. Throughout this conference, I encourage you to engage deeply, engage ideas freely, and leverage this opportunity to foster meaningful collaboration. Let us work together to innovate, to promote sustainability, and to ensure that every event hosted here in Pampanga leaves an indelible mark to our guests. As we look ahead, let us embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie before us. Together we can elevate the MICE industry across the Philippines and beyond. I'm confident that through our collective efforts, we will not only strengthen our tourism landscape but also create lasting memories for all who visit our shores. Once again, I extend my heartfelt welcome to each one of you. May the conference be a resounding success, filled with productive discussion, enriching experiences, and newfound friendships. Welcome again to Pampanga. Thank you.